On the board, we have if sine theta is equal to 12 over 13, find the value of 1 plus cos theta. Now, they've given us sine theta, which is 12 over 3. How do we look for cos theta? This is a trigonometry ratio mathematics using SUKATOA. Now, on the board, we need to look for cos theta first. After the cos theta, we'll add the 1 to the cos theta we have. Now, first of all, sine theta. What do we mean of sine theta? Sine theta means so, because we are using the SUKATOA. We are using this. The SUKATOA means sine of sine equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So we have sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And the opposite is 12, while the hypotenuse is 13. If I'm to draw this, I represent this in my right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, you have this, where you have this is the opposite. Anywhere your degree is facing is the opposite, and the opposite you have your 12, while this is the hypotenuse, the biggest side, or you can say anywhere the right angle triangle is facing. So this is facing this side, so it will be 13. Here is 13. Now, the other one, cos theta, which you're looking for. Cos means car, which means cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And we watch, our hypotenuse here is 13. Now we don't know the adjacent, which is x. So we call this side x. Now how do we look for this side? We look for this one using the Pythagoras theorem. We're going to use the Pythagoras theorem in searching for this. So you write, using Pythagoras theory, which is a square equal to b square plus c square. So now our a square is the biggest side. A square is the biggest side, which is 13 square equal to, this is your b, which is 12 square plus the c is the x, which is the x square. So when you write your 13 square will give you 169. 12 square is 144 plus x square. So what should you do? We'll collect our like terms. How do you collect like terms? It is 169 minus 144 equal to x square. See it down. 169 minus 144 equal to x square. So 169 minus 144 will give us 25 equal to x square. So we need to look for the x alone. To look for the x alone, you need to square root both sides. This cancel this, your x is running. Square root of 25 is 5. So we say therefore x is equal to 5. So we've gotten the adjacent now. So our adjacent with this x is 5. So it now be our 5 over 13. So we are done getting the adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 5 over 13. Now on the board, you have 1 plus cos theta. Since our cos theta gave us 5 over 13, which we got using our Pythagoras theorem to get the x part, which is this part here. And it gave us 5 over 13. Now the question says 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. Now, we have our 1 plus, the cos theta is 5 over 13. Now it will be over 1. Look for the LCM. LCM of 1 and 13 is 13. 13 into 1 is 13 times 1, 13. 13 into 13 is 1. Times this gives us 5. So our answer is 18 over 13.